Welcome guys to a new future technology. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more future technology. Let's go. Number 1. Servo Yachts. Revolutionary marine stabilization technology. Servo Yachts LLC offers revolutionary stabilized catamarans that eliminate the motion that typically causes passengers to become seasick. The company was founded by David Hall, also founder of Velodyne LiDAR, where he invented the 3D LiDAR vision system that spawned the development of autonomous vehicles, LiDAR companies, and advanced robotics. The unique electronic suspension system connects the yacht's superstructure to two dynamic hulls which adjust in real time to the height and angle of the waves, keeping the deck in a level position and absorbing the roll, pitch, and heave motions induced by the ocean. The design also causes less drag than on traditional yachts, resulting in a remarkably efficient vessel that is not only safe and comfortable, but faster in rough conditions. Shuttleworth Design has worked with Servo Yachts on the development of the technology for over 8 years, and a variety of solutions and mechanical arrangements have been explored and tested. The Martini 6.0 is a concept for a 150 feet high-speed catamaran with 16 feet of vertical travel in each hull. The system requires very little power and no warm-up time or complex vacuum systems, making it the most immediate, effective, and safe option. As well as providing total stabilization, the system also has the unique ability to sync the motion of the suspended deck with another moving target, for example, when docking alongside a larger ship or recovering a smaller vessel at sea. Number 2. Autonomous Gen 2. Cables, electric and autonomous. The first vehicle of its type to be operated on a public road. With advanced autonomous driving technology and humans always in the loop, this is shipping's next leap forward. Operational on routes that use fenced areas, with the potential to encompass surrounding public roads. Safety First employs a range of precision sensing technologies, including advanced LiDAR, satellite, and cameras, to ensure the highest levels of safety. Night vision allows goods to be moved day or night, ensuring maximal uptime. Access the clean and efficient way to ship. With autonomous electric vehicles and advanced charging infrastructure, all coordinated by an intelligent digital network, you can accelerate the shift and future-proof your business. Number 3. Transit Elevated Bus. The TEB is a bus that straddles traffic by driving over the top of it, running along fixed tracks. Its main compartment is elevated, leaving the street clear for cars underneath. The design also incorporates solar panels on the roof and at bus stops to partially power the vehicle. The Transit Elevated Bus was a proposed new bus concept where a guided bus straddles above road traffic, giving it the alternative names such as straddling bus, straddle bus, land air bus, or tunnel bus by international media. A trial was scheduled to begin in Beijing's Mentagu district by late 2010. However, the project was not given authorization by the district authorities because the technology was considered to be too immature, and further trials were subject to the development of a concept to prove the system actually works. The city of Manaus, Brazil, has also evaluated the option of installing a straddle bus in its city streets. At the time of the 2016 unveiling of the scale model, it was reported that a prototype would be deployed by mid-2016 in Qinhuangdao. 4 other Chinese cities, Nanyang, Shenyang, Tianjin, and Jiakou, had also signed contracts for pilot projects involving the construction of test tracks beginning in 2016. However, a test of a prototype design was scrapped in June 2017 over concerns about its viability. In July 2017, 32 people involved in the project were detained by Chinese authorities on suspicion of investment fraud. The prototype bus was removed from the test track in early July. Number 4. HS50 is the helicopter you have always wanted. Exquisite in every detail, combining exceptional performance, safety, and ease of flying with an outstanding ownership model. Certification does not make an aircraft any safer than one designed, manufactured, maintained, and operated in accordance with the certification standards. Certification simply means an aviation authority officially confirms the aircraft meets required airworthiness standards. In the case of privately operated aircraft, there is much more to delivering and operating a holistically safe aircraft than meeting certification requirements. The aircraft must meet the form, function, and safety needs of its end users. Private owners are often inexperienced pilots, and their aircraft should focus on their needs: benign handling qualities, resilience to low G conditions, excellent stability, high power reserves, realistic payload for user requirements, robust crashworthiness, and ease of operation with minimum pilot workload. The traditional approach to certification inhibits developing innovative new technologies and systems that meet these needs. Manufacturers turn to older, pre-approved components to minimize the cost, complexity, and timescales of certification. This unfortunately limits the ability to deliver holistically safe aircraft. Every Hill helicopter meets the latest EASA and FAA certification standards for normal category rotorcraft and is built in our UKCAA-approved factory. With HS50, we fuse the highest levels of airworthiness from the latest certification standards with the GA-appropriate type approval process found in amateur-built aircraft. HS50, which is essentially the same aircraft, produced in the same approved factory, is offered to the market somewhat later with a full type certificate enabling commercial use. The dual-role approval model allows the innovative HS50 to meet the highest possible safety standards while being brought to market faster and with lower overall cost, holistically improving the safety and affordability of all light helicopters. Number 5. Lincoln Star EV Concept Vehicle. Global debut of Lincoln Star Concept sets the stage for introduction of 3 new fully electric vehicles from Lincoln by 2025. Connected technologies and a next-generation Lincoln intelligence system deliver unique, rejuvenating moments inside the cabin. With 3 moods that create a sanctuary using scent, sight, and sound, more than half of Lincoln's global volume is expected to be all-electric vehicles by mid-decade. The brand will deliver 3 new fully electric vehicles by 2025, adding a 4th by 2026 Los Angeles, April 20, 2022, with a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and connected cabin experience. The Lincoln Star concept debuts globally today, hinting at the brand's design language for its future electric vehicles. This is a shining example of what happens when we combine Lincoln luxury with flexible electrical architecture to create unimaginable experiences for customers, said Jim Farley, President and CEO, Ford Motor Company. We can truly revolutionize how people engage with the brand and scale it across an exciting lineup of products that catapult Lincoln into the digital, connected age. Inside and out, the Lincoln Star concept introduces a new design language, with Lincoln's core tenets of beauty, human, gliding, and sanctuary on full display. These tenets will help guide Lincoln's future design, and by mid-decade, Lincoln plans to deliver 3 new fully electric vehicles, meaning that more than half of its global volume will be zero-emissions vehicles, and it will add a 4th by the end of 2026. As Lincoln moves toward an electric future, it is equally focused on keeping its current portfolio fresh and introducing new clients to the brand. Lincoln reported its best annual global sales in 21 years, up 7% over 2021, and plans to build on its momentum with the recent launches of the all-new Zephyr in China and the new Navigator in North America. As Lincoln enters the next chapter in our transition to a zero-emissions future, the Lincoln Star concept will lead the way for our portfolio of fully electric vehicles, said Joy Filatico, President, Lincoln. It is an excellent example of how we are redefining luxury for the next generation as we work to transform the vehicle into a third space, a true place of sanctuary for our clients. Both on and off the road, thoughtful design details, connected experiences, and clever solutions create the ultimate sanctuary for clients in the Lincoln Star concept, while delivering a more modern aesthetic and intelligent, intuitive features. Electrification is removing many traditional vehicle design constraints, allowing us to reimagine what a vehicle can be, said Anthony Lowe, Chief Design Officer, Ford Motor Company. The Lincoln Star is a study of experiences and themes that push the boundaries of Lincoln design, and it's just the start. In a nod to the evolved design language of Lincoln, the silhouette is sleek and dynamic, and is expanded to create a striking effect. Whether stationary or in motion, the concept uses design, light, displays, scents, and sounds to create an immersive experience for clients. Intelligent technology that enhances comfort, productivity, and entertainment is deployed throughout to bring the romance of travel back in a uniquely Lincoln way. Designers work to create harmony throughout by using light in a modern new way. Illuminated crystallines, plus backlit doors, seats, and exterior features elevate the architectural space to create the ultimate sanctuary. The new Lincoln Star on the fascia lights up like a jewel, greeting clients upon approach while giving new meaning to the Lincoln Embrace Welcome sequence. The company's rear and all-wheel drive flexible battery electric architecture and next-generation Lincoln intelligence system enable the new design thinking and connected experiences the Star concept offers. The flexible architecture means engineers and designers could reimagine the additional interior space in new and exciting ways to create a unique Lincoln experience. The new Lincoln Intelligence System takes the definition of digital assistant to a new dimension, enabling experiences such as connected vehicle-to-vehicle and infrastructure capabilities, as well as next-generation leading driver assist features such as Help Me See and Park For Me. Both in design and color composition, the interior is uniquely partitioned into first and second row areas. The entire cabin experience in the first and second row is premium, with extra spacious wraparound seating, reclined lounge posture, individual lounge leg rests, and curated storage for devices and slippers, controls for rejuvenation moods, and a luxurious glass beverage chiller integrated between the back seats. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel.